Good morning. It is 22 degrees here in Texas. It's like 8 o'clock and my son is still sleeping by some miracle. Might really mess up his sleep schedule today, but I don't care. He probably will wake up in the next like 30 minutes if I had to guess. Make some coffee and let's sit on the couch and I'm gonna turn on the weather and just see what's going on, what happened overnight. Thankfully, we still have power, which I didn't really expect it to go out last night. If it's gonna go out, I feel like it will go out tonight or sometime tomorrow. Thankfully, it's sleet and not just ice because a higher risk, I think. From what I've heard from the experts. We'll see.